Hi, my name is Zachary, and I'm going to show you my first video without any angry birds. And these are like little animals that I've made out of Sculpey clay, just like my angry birds. And first up, we have a fox, and a den for a fox, a blue fox, which actually should be a little bit more wider than this, an Arctic fox, and a toucan, a bunny, a mouse, and a frog, a dog, a monkey, and a flamingo, a purple flamingo, because I didn't have enough pink clay. And then a pink flamingo, a kitty, another kitty, and another kitty, and a snake, and the last one is a tree. It's kind of like a base for the monkey. Bye. Please press subscribe.